What's up you guys, it's Brendan from PlaySecond, and don't mind the lighting because I've got a terrible light right there and it's not sunny, it's dark. And without further ado, we are going to be reviewing the Samsung portable SSD T5. I did get this in the 1TB version, reason being I'm going to another state for a while and I gotta bring my laptop and I gotta take an SD card. Sorry, a portable hard drive that is reliable, and I didn't want to rely on like iCloud or anything like that, so I picked this up. So I picked up a 1TB model for 339 Australian dollars, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android, and it apparently goes up to 540 megabytes transfer speed with USB 3.1 Gen 2 up to 10 gigabits per second. Now this does support USB-C, USB-A, all phones, all devices, and yeah, no, check it out, we'll open it, see what's going on. We'll actually test it, seeing the read and write speeds, because I got transfer stuff now anyway, so I might as well take you along on the journey, and I'll capture my screen with this camera. Other than that, like, subscribe to this video, and tap notification, and hit up my socials. I got Instagram, I got Twitter, I got Twitch, and you should be good there. So let's go. So I've already taken the liberty of undoing the packaging, so we just take it out. And if you guys are interested in getting a portable hard drive that's reliable, please check out the link below in the description. It's an affiliate link, so you can buy this product. I get a commission, and hopefully you enjoy it if you purchase it. If you purchase it, let me know. Share your thoughts. So right out of the box, this is actually a lot smaller than I had anticipated or thought previously. So as you can see, the Samsung portable SSD T5 model, and no fancy packaging, just the Samsung card in a tray, that's it. So after you unbox all of it, you get an instruction manual, you got one cable, you got another cable, you got this, which is probably like, I don't know, maybe like 15 centimeters or something, or probably less. Actually, I got a ruler here. So this contraption is about 7 centimeters, so it's about about 3 to 4 inches for Americans. So now other than that, you get the SSD. Then you got a cable which is USB-C to USB 3.0. Then you got this cable over here which is USB-C to USB-C, so you can use it on your Mac if you want to, or if you got other ports that support USB-C on your PC, you can do that as well. And this is the actual T5 Samsung portable SSD. Flip it to the back. Just same printing pretty much. Here you've got a USB, here you have a USB-C port, and if we flip it to the other side, you just got the barcode and 1TB logo. So to prove that this is actually USB-C, I'm going to put USB-C in here, and I'm going to connect it to my computer, which supports only 3.0, as that's what my motherboard only takes. Then I'll move it to my Mac and I'll use the other cable just to show you that both actually work. Alright, so as you can see, this is the USB 3.0 to the USB-C that's plugged in right there. And as you can see up here, even though I gotta take this out because my USB 2.0s don't work for whatever reason, I will take this out and I will plug this in. Now don't do it like this because this is stupid. You'll probably break your device if anything. So that's in. We have the blue LED light going. I'm just going to pop you there for now. And if we jump to the computer, so I just plugged it in and just prompted up with this window. As you see, you got a few README documents. If you want to set this up, just click on, this is for Windows. This is the Windows setup, so just click on Samsung portable SSD setup for Windows, If we prompted to this, you just want to agree. Okay, next. And that is done. Are you a resident of a European country? No, I'm not. And then you're prompted open to this. So pretty much, welcome to Samsung Portable SSD. Provides strong security to protect your data. To activate security mode, please do the following steps. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to come. Actually, I'll do it later. What's that? 931 gigs, Samsung T5. And do we have any updates at the moment? Yes, we do. I'll do this update, and I will come back to you guys when this is all. Oh, Samsung Portable SSD software is already installed. Upgrading or uninstall current versions. Yes, that's fine. Next. Always remember to do your updates. Unless you want to be sitting there for hours and hours because you didn't do your updates for months and months. Which is what I did, and it took me like 8 hours to do an update once, and it was very, very frustrating. So you know what I did? I just let the update stay automatically, do their thing. If it asked me, I would do it. Instead of being lazy, I would just go and get it over and done with. Alright, so this is done now. So what we can do is go into settings. Security mode can be on or off. If you want a password, you can. Just say cancel for now. Alright, we'll hop out of that. We will put, okay, for example, we'll come to my iCloud drive. This is literally footage from one of my other videos. So we'll grab all of this, we'll say copy, and this is the Samsung T5. In case you don't believe me, we'll just go to this PC, find Samsung T5, new folder. We're gonna just call it 0 for practicality reasons. 0. Open this. Paste my files in. And remember, this was about, in total, this was 12.4 gigs. So currently, we are running at 38 megabytes a second. I got my bits and bytes confused. So this isn't doing too bad. I was uploading it to iCloud before just because I wanted to run it through my Mac, but I was like, hey, I have a SSD that can run pretty well, and I have to do a video on it. I might as well test it, see how it does. And remember, on the packaging, if you come to the packaging here, it does claim it goes up to 540 megabytes transfer speed and up to 10 gigabytes per second. We got security details and all that. So that's that. And we got about 4 minutes and 25-ish seconds remaining. Now, unfortunately, I can't capture this time in real time because I've already got a clock going on my phone and I can't run multiple clocks at once because, well, that's, I have it for medical reasons, so I actually can't change it. So at the moment it's doing about 40 megabytes a second. If it does change, I'll address it, but I'm gonna turn off the camera. Then we will put it on our MacBooks and we'll see what the writing speed is. Alrighty guys, since that is done, the estimated time, we're just going to assume that it was pretty much the same, and the writing speeds was 38.42 megabytes I believe. But now we are going to go down to the MacBook Pro and we're going to stick this in. Alright, now I got the USB. Alright, now we have the USB-C to USB-C, and since my MacBook can only take USB-C, then we don't really have a choice. And yes, Apple, I know, it's fine. So we're gonna plug it in. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand, best as I can, for your amusement. Alright, now that is in. It should be plugged in. And let the prompt up. I didn't plug it in correctly. There you go, since that's up now there, I didn't push it in a way. Just double tap on your MacBook. And as you see, Samsung portable SSD is set up for Mac. Just double click that. Come out, yes, I want to allow. Continue. I agree. The installation is fine where it is. Use password. Use my finger, never mind. Install software. Yes, I am sure. Sorry if I have lights in a weird spot. This package is incomplete with this version of OS. The package is trying to install and connect. Try again. Okay, it seems like if you upgraded to the latest version of Mac, you need to download the new 64-bit version of Samsung T5, and I'm going to do that and come back. This is my second time actually doing this because I didn't press record. Anyway, on macOS version 10.15 Catalina, it is not supported, so the Samsung T5 SSD portable hard drive is not supported right now. Samsung's are meant to be releasing an update, however they still have not done it yet. That was my phone. So right now, if you're going to get this hard drive, I repeat, do not get it for Mac right now. If they ever do release an update, I'll keep you guys informed about that. I'll probably pin it in the comments of this video or make an entirely new video about it. Just a quick 3 to 5 minute one just addressing it. However, we are going to jump back to the Windows computer and see what the speeds are going from the SSD to a hard drive or another SSD on my Windows computer, and see what the writing speed is on that, and if it's any faster or slower than what it actually says on the packaging. And yeah, we'll have to find out. Right, so now we have that plugged in. This screen, well, this window here is my SSD card, and this window here is my standard mechanical hard drive card, which is a Western Digital Black, which I believe goes at 3,500 megabytes per second, or megabits. So these are files here. This file has somehow become corrupted, so I'm gonna ignore that and fix it later. But other than that, we'll just copy it, and keep in mind this is 12.6 gigabytes. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the SSD first, then we're going to put it on the standard mechanical hard drive and see if there's any difference. So we'll copy it and we'll put it in this test folder. So currently going down to the 170s, all the way down to 81s, coming back to 130, kind of hovering between the 80 megabytes to the 170s, 130 range mark. Kind of maintaining and shuffling around in that section. This isn't so bad, this. So remember, this is on my SSD, which I believe is a Samsung Evo 120 gig. I got like 2, 3, 4 years ago. And I need to charge this camera, as I'm going to be back in a moment. If anything changes, I will tell you. If it gets faster or slower, I'll tell you. Then we're going to put it on the standard mechanical hard drive on this folder. See if there's any difference. Right, this is the next day because I had to charge my phone and everything, and my camera and everything. So this is still from the external hard drive. As you can see, it says up there, Samsung T5. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this. So just highlight it, right click, copy. And this is my standard hard drive, which is my recordings and Twitch files and all that. So I'm just going to paste it in there. And we are currently getting about, on the low end, 115. On the high end, we're probably getting about 170. That's the highest I've seen. So this is, remember, this is going from the SSD to a standard mechanical hard drive. And my mechanical hard drive, I believe, is a Western Digital Black, which I believe runs at 3000 megabytes a second. But don't quote me, because I got this years ago and we're just testing it out now. So as that continues doing its thing, if there's any other tests you want me to do, I can post it in a future video, or I can just answer it in the comments below if it's something I can answer in a verbal manner through just typing. But no, it's pretty cool. It's very light, very portable, and I'll leave a link for that down below. And it's pretty cool. I'm gonna take it with me on my adventure. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to leave a like for the algorithm. Also smash the subscribe button and tap notifications to know when my next video is live. Also, I have socials. I have Twitch, I have Instagram, and I have Twitter. They'll also be in the link description box below with links to my contact page and all that stuff. But other than that, see you guys in the next one. Any other videos you want, comment them below. I'll get back to them. And I'll probably make something on them because I need content. But see you guys. If it's Brandon from Playstack, I'm out. See you guys next time.